Hey, cake lovers! Ready to add some serious sparkle to your dessert game? Today, I'm talking about Geode Cakes. Those glamorous, crystal-studded masterpieces that look like they came straight out of a treasure chest. These cakes are almost too stunning to eat. Almost. And you will be surprised as I dig into the background of these edible works of art and discover how to create your own gem of a cake. To my surprise, Geode Cakes are a pretty new phenomenon. They started trending just a few years ago when bakers combined cake art with geology-inspired designs. Who knew edible crystals would be such a hit? It's basically like turning dessert into a science experiment, except way tastier. To make your own geode cake, you'll need your usual cake essentials: flour, sugar, butter, and eggs. But here's where the magic happens: rock candy. Yep, those sugary crystals are what give geode cakes their sparkle. You'll also need food coloring and edible gold or silver dust to take your design to the next level. It's like bling for your cake. The best part about geode cakes? They're totally customizable. I like to go for bold blues and purples for a mystical vibe, or soft pinks and golds for something ultra chic if I want to make it even more dramatic. You can create a 3D effect with jagged crystals bursting out of the cake. And if you are feeling extra adventurous, add hidden flavors inside the crystals, like citrus or berry, for a sweet surprise. For geode cake inspiration, check out Catherine Sabbath, the queen of colorful, creative cakes. And if you're in LA, Sweet Lady Jane serves cakes that are pure edible art. These bakers turn cakes into sparkling, show-stopping centerpieces. So whether you're making one yourself or ordering from a pro, these beauties are the perfect way to add a little glam to your celebrations. It's art, it's science, it's dessert, and it's 100% delicious. Go ahead, bake a little magic, and let your cake sparkle like the gem it is.